Hi, my name is Kalina. Today, I'm going to walk you through the process of integrating your Calendly or any other online calendar with the LyfQuest platform. This integration can be beneficial for both your internal LyfQuest CRM users and external contacts. So the LyfQuest platform features an internal calendar that allows your CRM clients to interact directly with you inside the platform. They can reschedule and cancel appointments smoothly. However, some users may prefer using their pre-existing external calendar for managing their relationships. Integrating this external calendar into the LyfQuest CRM platform helps schedule appointments efficiently. To start the integration progress, navigate to the resources page on the LyfQuest platform. You can integrate your online calendar again in two ways. Create a resource. This refers to a single link to your external calendar, or add a folder. This option helps you organize multiple calendar links under one folder. So to integrate your external calendar, click on Add Resource. So you'll click on Add Resource. In the provided field, you'll input the link to your external calendar. If you offer, again, different types of meetings like 30-minute session, group meetings, new client meetings, we recommend creating a folder and adding separate resource links for each calendar. So again, customize your resources by giving it a specific name, and then a description. The description could include instructions on how to schedule an appointment. You can select which clients or group have access to the resource, all clients or a specific group. And then lastly, add a thumbnail that represents your brand or the opportunity. This visual representation helps users identify your resource quickly. If you have more than one online calendar, you can integrate all of them within the LyfQuest platform. You'll create a folder. Once you click Add Folder, label it appropriately. Give it a description and make it available to all of your clients. Add a thumbnail that represents your brand or this opportunity. Click Save. Once you have created the folder, you would go inside the folder, and now you can integrate separate resource links for each of your calendars. The options are endless. So when any of your contacts within the LyfQuest platform navigates to your online calendar from the resource page, they can select from your availability. For example, as you can see, this resource is available in the Resource Center. When anyone clicks on that resource that's integrated into the system, they will then be navigated to your external calendar, where they can schedule an appointment with you. So again, when anyone navigates to your online calendar, they can select from your availability, and that scheduled appointment will be added to both the contact's personal email and your external personal or professional email. However, this information will not be displayed on your LyfQuest calendar. Here. We do anticipate adding that shortly. Here's what you can do with your LyfQuest CRM calendar. You can use it for follow-up meetings, mark dates for follow-up meetings with your clients to discuss their progress, address any concerns, plan the next steps that can be shared between you and the mobile app users within the platform, or just you privately. You can also schedule goal review dates, set dates to review client goals and access their progress. Report preparation and submission. If your role involves preparing reports on clients' progress, you can schedule these tasks on your calendar. Training workshop dates. If you conduct workshops or group training sessions, these can be scheduled on the calendar. You'll receive reminders to prepare materials, book venues, and perform other necessary tasks. Professional development. Schedule your own professional development opportunities, such as webinar courses, conferences, networking events. Stay current in your field. You may even want to map out or plan admin days. Set aside time for administrative tasks, such as updating client records, invoicing, and planning future sessions. Self-care time. That's truly important to also schedule downtime for yourself. This could be a reoccurring day off, time for exercise, meditation, or hobbies. And then client milestones, keeping track of important client milestones such as the end of the successful training program or the contract agreement, or a significant breakthrough in a coaching or counseling session. And then last but not least, client communication. You can schedule time for regular check-in or updates with your client via phone or email that are outside of the coaching relationship. Now, conclusion. So today we've learned how to integrate your Calendly into the LyfQuest platform, making scheduling easier and more efficient for both you and your internal and external clients. So thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found it useful and informative, and good luck with your calendar integration. Take care.